In this video, I have something to share with you. It is a brand new community here in Charlotte, and it opened up this week. I had to push this video ahead of some other videos I had planned on coming out because I don't want you to miss out on this opportunity. Stick around. Hello family, I'm Sir Ashley, and on this channel we talk about money, real estate, and North and South Carolina. And today I want to talk about a new home community that just opened this week. It is the Villages at Mallard Creek in Charlotte, North Carolina, and the prices. The prices starts off in the 320s. You heard that right. Pricing right now in the 320s. And if you're familiar with buying a home or looking for a home in the greater Charlotte area, you know that any home for less than 320, let alone a brand new construction, is very hard to find. So come with me, let's tour the community and learn about what you have to do to get in on this opportunity. But spoiler alert, you have to act fast. Let's go. All right, come with me. We are going inside the community. This is the Villages at Mallard Creek, and it is located in North Charlotte, centrally located. You have easy access to 85 and 485, and you're about 10 minutes away, probably less than that, to Concord Mills. And you also have quick access to the University of Charlotte as well. If you're familiar with Mallard Creek Church Road and Mallard Creek Road, you know that you have a little bit of everything right around there as far as restaurants, shops, healthcare facilities. So this is a great location. Now the community does have a pool. We're about to look at where the future pool will be. And pricing in the community starts off in the low 300s. The community itself will have over 230 units between townhouses and single family homes. And as I said earlier, they're just now opening the community up, and we're going to take a look at two of the floor plans that they have available right now that they're taking offers on all the way through November 6th. Now, just because you may not get your offer in during this deadline, I don't want you to think that you're going to miss out, because again, this community is going to be very large. They're going to be building here for quite some time. But if you want the best price possible, the sooner you get in, the better price you're going to get. As you see, they are building in the community right now. These will be spec homes, meaning that they're already going to be built, and only thing you need to do is move in. You don't have to worry about picking things out or going to a design center. All of them will be spec'd out and have the nice finishes that the typical person would pick if they went into the design center. First one we're going to go look at is the Elon, and then the second one is the Kane. Those two will be available. Now, some people were just reaching out to me, made some comments on some other videos, and asked about new construction under 2,000 square feet. Well, the Kane floor plan is just that, brand new construction under 2,000 square feet. And the Elon floor plan is 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just over 2,000 square feet. Now we're going inside the Elon. And it opens up into your open downstairs living space. Perfect for entertaining, but you also have that built-in desk area which is very needed nowadays with everyone working from home. Now let's head upstairs. At the top of the stairs, you have a large loft. The pricing for this Elon floor plan that is available right now, they're taking offers on, starts off at $330,000. Now again, they're taking offers, so it would be wise to bid above that. Look, I know nobody likes the offer system for new home construction. But after this release, the good news is there won't be an offer situation. It will be first come, first serve, and they will have pricing, and we just need to be on top of when they release new lots. Now, I know it seems as if I'm zipping through this property tour, but I want to be appreciative of your time because in this video, I'm going over 2 properties with you. We're going to tour 2 homes, and I'm not trying to keep you here all day. I want you to see them. Let me know if you like them, if you're interested, so we can move forward and act on them because they are available now and taking offers until Saturday. Now, this is the second floor plan, the Kane. This one will be starting off at $320 is the offering price. $320,000. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, just under 2,000 square feet. As you can see, this downstairs area is open and has a modern floor plan as well. Now let's head upstairs where you have 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Let's go check out these secondary bedrooms. Now let's head into the secondary bedroom before checking out the bathroom and going into the owner's suite. Remember, this is the Kane floor plan and it is asking $320,000 right now. And they're accepting offers until November 6th. And then after that, it is first come, first serve. If you're interested in any of these floor plans or any home, whether buying or selling in North or South Carolina, please reach out to my team and I. I am Sir Ashley. Our number is on the screen, and we look forward to helping you.